Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to hide candles in TradingView in 2026. So first of all, you can just use the link that is given in the description in order to come here on this Black Friday deal page. Now, this is the greatest deal of the year. So if you are interested in the TradingView subscription, you can just click on the option of Explore Offers. Here you will see that you can get up to 80% off with their subscriptions plus 1 month additional absolutely for free. So if you are interested in this deal, make sure you check out the link in the description and hurry up because only around 2 days left in this deal. So once you are here on tradingview.com, you need to first of all click on the option of products in order to launch the chart in front of you. Now, once your chart is ready, you need to right click on the chart, then come here in the settings of your account. You can also click on the settings icon here on the top right hand corner of the screen in order to access the same settings pop-up in front of you. Over here, go to the option of symbols. Here you will see the symbols relating to the candles, like we have the body, the borders and the wicks. So here simply click on the colors, and now you need to reduce the opacity of the candles. Now for the red candles as well, you just have to reduce the opacity. Now for the borders as well, you will have to reduce the opacity. And as you can see, these changes are reflecting on our chart. So you just have to keep on doing it. And as you can see, all of the candles are removed or invisible from the chart. So this way you can hide your candles in TradingView. Make sure that you hit the OK button in order to save your changes. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.